everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Megan. Thanks so much for watching. I like to make videos all about mom things, vegan lifestyle things, and my weight loss journey. Today I am back with an unexpected unboxing for you guys. I am unboxing this giant, so giant, Grove collaborative box that my husband ordered for me unexpectedly. So before I get into unboxing this big guy, make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell so you don't miss any uploads, and also go follow me over on my Instagram. So I have seen multiple creators here on YouTube collaborate with the Grove collaborative. I've seen a ton of like sponsored type videos from them, and I've just like never like bit the bullet and spent the money to do it. Like I don't know, I've just never done it for myself, even though I feel like Grove kind of like fits my aesthetic, if you will, like sustainable packaging, eco-friendly, non-toxic. Like I'm totally about all of those things. I've just like never done it because I'm just like, well, I can just get those things at Target, right? So I've never went down that avenue. But my husband just happened to see something that he felt like he needed, and so he ordered some stuff, and then he got some stuff for free. So all I know is that he spent $42 and got a bunch of stuff for free. So I literally know nothing of what is in this box except for toilet paper. That is it. That is all that I know. And so I'm gonna unbox this blindly for you today. Obviously it is not sponsored, obviously. But I am gonna show you one thing already that I think is really cute that they do. And I did have to like peel off a little sticker that they had over this part. And obviously I covered our address. But if you can see right there, it says that you inspire us, W. Anderson, Love Grove. So I think that's really cute that they put like a little handwritten note on there. Yeah, I don't know, it's just really cute that they do that. So let's go ahead and get to slicing. Gosh, I can't speak. We're gonna slice open this bad boy. Lots of paper that will obviously be recycled. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is this little pamphlet package thing. It just says, "We're so happy you're here. Peek inside to learn more about Grove Collaborative and how we plan to change the world for better," of course. And talks about moving beyond plastic and that they will be plastic free by 2025. Y'all, that's like not that far away. It just talks more about how Grove works, which they have 150 plus sustainable brands. You can customize your card each month, adjust your order date, etc. So yeah. All right, there's that. This is like very pepperminty in here. I have no idea what's in this box, but it's very pepperminty. A little overwhelming, but like smells kind of good. Okay, I don't even know what to pull out first because it's like very tightly packaged in there. Okay, I'm gonna pull out this first. Okay, so this is Method Anti-Bac Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This is spearmint, so this must be like the mint smell that I'm smelling. Okay. Which obviously, like, I think this is part of the reason, like, I've never ordered from them is because like I know that I can literally get this at Target. So yeah, not saying it's bad or whatever. Obviously I don't know anything of the prices, but yeah. Okay, next thing in here is a peppermint handcrafted soap bar. Oh, focus, there you go. And this is Grove Collaborative brand. It's made with organic coconut and olive oils, and just looking at the ingredients, it's literally like palm oil, coconut oil, olive oil, peppermint, linalool. I don't know what that means. I wonder if that's like lanolin. Hold on, let me Google that. I need to know what that last ingredient is, because I know how to make soap. So like literally I could make this. Oh no, linalool is a floral and spicy terpene alcohol. I don't know what that means. So apparently it gives a fruity, hoppy aroma to beer. That's what Science Direct says, so I guess it's just like a fragrance. Okay, next is certified compostable cleaning wipes. And the brand of this is Seedling by Grove. These are bamboo. So I'm not sure if these are baby wipes or just like cleaning wipes. I will have to figure that out later. I'm thinking these are not baby wipes, but like surface wipes. Okay, the next thing in here is walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges, also by Grove Collaborative. We have a Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the mum scent. People go crazy over this stuff and I don't know why. Like, I'm not sure why. But supposedly it is plant-derived cleaning ingredients with essential oils, and it's made without parabens and phthalates, glycol, solvents, and artificial colors. English is not my strong suit tonight, y'all. But it removes dirt and freshens surfaces. And this is a limited edition scent. So, there's that. Okay, next in here is wrapped in paper. Oh. All right, what we got? Okay, we have a Grove Collaborative hand sani. Come on, focus. And this is a lavender scent with a little glass container of glass cleaner and an orange and rosemary scent. It looks like it's a concentrate bottle that you put in like a glass spray bottle. And then this is a Poo-Pourri type knockoff. I don't want to say knockoff. It's their version of like a Poo-Pourri spray. Clean the air before you go citrus. This is the Grove. Come on, focus, camera. Oh, it's on the struggle bus tonight, y'all. There you go. Okay, there it is. It's the Grove Collaborative version, and the scent is citrus. Interesting. Okay, next thing in here This is a stoneware tray, it says on the box. Let's open it. It says sink side style with a clean, simple design. This tray is perfect for keeping your sink stylish and organized. Use it for your favorite soaps and lotions in the kitchen or bath. And it is dishwasher safe. I'm curious what this looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Pretty simple. The color in here with like the 3 little leaves is like a teal. I would say that's like a teal color. It's pretty just like basic and simple. Okay, next out of here is a glass spray bottle. I'm assuming that this is for the glass cleaner since it came in a concentrate. It's just a basic spray bottle with a silicone protective like bottom. Okay, the next thing in here is ultra soft bath tissue. This is Seedling by Grove for jumbo rolls. And this is tree-free products made of 100% sustainable bamboo. So it's fancy toilet paper. Fancy but sustainable. All right, another thing we have in here is Mrs. Meyer's Pear Tree Scent Dish Soap. Oh my gosh, my camera will not focus. There it goes. All right. So this is another thing of bamboo paper products. This is ultra absorbent paper towels. And again, that is the Seedling by Grove. And then there's one more thing in here. And it is another thing of toilet paper. So like I said, I knew he was ordering toilet paper. I didn't know it was going to be this much toilet paper. So this is an 8-pack of toilet paper. And again, it is the bamboo toilet paper. 8 rolls of that. We got another 4 over there. So we should be good for a little bit. So that is everything that is in there. Again, he said it was $42 for everything that was in here. Let me pull up the receipt. He did say that if he spent over a certain amount, he got like $50 worth of free products. So I'm assuming part of this was free. And let me see if the email will tell me what was free. Okay, it tells me exactly what was free. Okay, so the things that we bought was the toilet paper, both the 8-pack and the 4-pack, the hydrating bar soap, which is kind of annoying because literally I make soap, but whatever, I digress. The toilet bowl cleaner, the paper towels, the compostable kitchen wipes, so that answers that. These are like surface wipes, not baby wipes. The Seedling part confused me because when I think of like Seedling, I think of babies, and they're in like a baby wipe kind of container. So note to self, these are not baby wipes. We also bought the hand sani, the clear the air toilet spray. And then, so the stuff we got free was the spray bottle, the sink tray, the walnut scrubber sponge, the dish soap, the surface cleaner, and the glass cleaner with the reusable bottle. So anyways, all of that came out to $42.76. So I feel like all in all, that was a lot of stuff for $42. Quite a bit of stuff. So anyways, I may do an update on how we end up liking all of the stuff that we got in this gigantic box, and I'll keep you posted. If you think that's a great idea, leave that down in the comments below. Make sure you like this video. That really helps out my channel more than you could ever know. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.